if you can see, I still got the same clothes on. I'm shooting these videos back to back. Thank you guys for everyone who watched the $900 video. This one is $825, also from Soul Supremacy. What was it? $775 for the box, and then you add for the shipping, $50 for the shipping. So yeah, $825 for this box. Hopefully it's as good as that last box. 3 pair of 11s, 12s like crazy, Jordan 6s, 5s. I still got all the shoes on the floor because I literally just shot it. We're gonna jump right into this one. I know you guys just be anxious to see what's in the box, just like I do. I gotta get the videos up and out to you guys. Everything that's for sale, still from the other box, is still up on TGOTSOLE for sale on Instagram. So check me out over there. I see a box I have never gotten. I'm just gonna get it out the way. $825. First shoe I'm gonna show y'all is a Supreme and Vans, and they're dead stock. Like they got Campbell soup on them. Campbell soup Vans. What size are they? Size 10. Dead stock with the box. The box is kind of beat up, as you can see, but nonetheless we have some Supreme Vans. Half cab is what they say on the side. I'm unfamiliar with these, but check out the details in them. You can see it says Campbell soup. Check those out. Dead stock, man. First shoe out the box is gonna be Supreme. Hopefully that's a good sign for the rest of the box. Work, man. They might. I know some of that Supreme stuff go. I mean, everybody knows Supreme goes for crazy amounts, but I don't know what those shoes would do. Let me get this little yellow box. I'm actually looking for a pair of these. I need another pair of Ultra Boosts for the gym. Ultra Boost J, size 4.5. Look like the multicolors from the picture on the box. And that's what we got. Multicolor Ultra Boost. These are dead stock. So that's gonna be a quick, easy flip with the tag on there. Multicolor, 4.5. That's cool. Should be a easy sell. Ultra Boost still sell, maybe not for as much, but they still a go. Still very comfortable. I need a all black pair just to beat up. I got a bunch of Adidas clothes, wear to the gym, but I don't have no Adidas shoes, so your boy needs some Ultra Boosts. That's probably the only Adidas I think I can get down with is the Ultra Boost. Just throwing shoes around. Nike box. Air Max Plus, size 13. I already know what these are. These are the Air Max Plus International. I just had some Internationals in the last box, some International 12s. Check these out. These are pre-owned. Size 13. For the big feet people out there. Pretty colorful. Air Maxes. Classic, man. Air Max 95. Yeah. These are pretty dope. Size 13 on those. Air Jordan 1 Mid SE in a size 10. I don't know the colorway. Y'all gonna see it before I do. What we got? Okay, so these are dead stock. And I don't know the nickname to these mids. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know I don't really have any mids. I'm more of a high Air Jordan 1 guy. Patent leather. This is orange and black, size 10. I'm pretty sure I'll have the nickname on the screen for you guys down below so y'all can check them out. I'm kind of trying to shoot the video quick because I think my phone is about to die. Vapor Max, size 13. I seen this box when I opened the beater box and I was hoping it was my size, but they not. Size 13. Oh, that's cool. I'm not really a big fan of this color anyway. Vapor Maxes. You guys, if you've been following the channel, you know I rock with the Vapor Maxes heavy. Just mad comfortable, man. Mad comfortable. Check these out. Not dead stock. These are pre-owned. Look at the bottom. People really just hate Vapor Maxes. Hate them or love them. There's no like in between. I'm a fan of them. When they came out, price was stupid high. I refused to pay retail, and I ended up looking up on a pair in a box, and it was on from there. I don't know how many I have now. Just off what I have in my drop fronts, it's about 4. But then I got like some in the kitchen that I wear daily to the gym. LeBron 9, size 7.5, cool grays. I remember when these came out. I was a LeBron 9 fan, man. LeBron 7s are my favorite model of LeBrons, but these are hard too. LeBron 9s, it's a cool little hoop shoe. I mean, I wouldn't rock it anywhere else to the court but the court. But these are a size 7.5 LeBron 9 cool grays. Show y'all the bottom. Check those out. Really clean. Whoever had them took care of them. That's what's up. It's an old pair. Old. What we on now? LeBron 17 or 18s now. We got 2 pair left. Let's get them done. Let's get them done. Air Max 93s in a size 13. Air Max 93s, size 13. I don't know what these are, but they are in really good shape. I don't know when the release is of these. 2018 release. Like a navy blue and orangish color on there. And you know what's crazy? Whenever I get beater boxes and I pull out stuff like this, I don't know why it's at the bottom of the box. Normally heat is at the bottom, but this right here be something that be the first shoe to sell. Somebody hit me up, you still got those? Yeah, you be thinking like, oh, I'm gonna have these forever. For me, maybe because the prices are the price points are a little lower on stuff like that, but it never fails, man. This stuff be gone before a Jordan. Last up, I know what this is just because of the box. These are a size 9. If you're a sneakerhead, you probably know what these are too. You know what's crazy is I never had these in hand. They are dead stock. They are dead stock. $825. I got Supreme Vans, which I hope have some value, and I got dead stock 11s. I don't know what the rest of that stuff is, but for $825, I'm pretty sure they got me good. Look, check these out. Jubilee, size 9. This would be something I don't even have to rush to sell this. This will sell any day that I post it. Dead stock. Probably post them up on IG. If you are new here, man, follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE and on Instagram at TGOTSOLE for sale. That's where most of these shoes will be up for sale. Hit the eBay link down below. I've been throwing some things up there just randomly. You can follow me on eBay too. I've been selling a lot of shoes on there lately, so people been going over there checking out the shoes and then coming back DMing me. We've been working a deal outside of eBay, so that's cool. I'm happy with this box. 825 bucks. Really happy with that $900 box I just opened. And I think I might have another one. No, I'm not gonna shoot a video. I got another boxes. I'm not gonna shoot a video for it. It was a little cheaper, like $400 and something box. I don't think I'm gonna have time to shoot a video for that one, at least today anyway. But make sure you hit that sub button. Like I said, follow me everywhere. Thank you for checking me out. Appreciate your time. I am about to log off of here because I think my phone about to die. I'm out. Peace.